Today we're gonna try the Quest tortilla style chips, and we're gonna see which one's the best. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. So if you're eating low carb or keto, one of the things that everyone misses is the crunch, right? And also sometimes you want to snack on something and you may not be at home. You might have to take stuff on the road or to work or to a game or whatever. Now, I'm always trying about bringing stuff from home, but sometimes you just need to find stuff in the store that's good. Quest makes these. They're Nacho Cheese, barbecue, and ranch protein chips. Now, if you're like full gun keto, it does have some sunflower oil in it, so it'll be a no-no for you. But if you're kind of lazy keto or just looking low carb, really the rest of the stuff is really great. I mean, it's for the whole bag, it's 140 calories. It's got only 5 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of fiber, so it's net 4 carbs for the whole bag, which is great. And they don't put a lot of junk in it. It's it's relatively clean for something that you're going to use as a snack. Remember, we're not eating this all the time. We're using it as a snack, or maybe if you want to dip. So let's get into this. I've never had these before, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open these up, and we're going to see which one is the winner. And maybe they all are. Who knows? All right. So I like the way they put them in different shapes. With the nachos, tortillas are kind of square. So let's go start with the ranch. I like ranch. Nice and light, very crisp. Not an overabundance of ranch flavor, but I get the crunch that I'm missing, right? Let's try the protein barbecue flavor. You can see how kind of cool they make them into like a weird shaped kind of chip. Let's try this. A lot of flavor. That's really good. I really like that. It would taste like a light barbecue potato chip. I really like those. Let's try the nacho cheese one. It's a good cheese flavor. It's a little bit muted. I would expect more from a cheese flavor, maybe because I'm coming off the barbecue. So here's my opinion on these. And I'm not a huge barbecue chip fan, but if I was gonna buy another bag, I would probably get the barbecue one because it has the most well-balanced flavor and you're kind of getting what you expect from barbecue. I would probably go with the ranch next because they're definitive ranch flavor. It's light, and the nacho cheese is good, but there's just not a lot of cheese flavor to it. If you're going to use these for dipping, I would suggest the barbecue, because you can see the square chips are very, very, very fragile, and I'd be concerned about dipping. With these, they're a little thicker, and I think they could stand up to some dipping more. But anyway, I think they're all great. And if you're in a pinch for a snack, you need something that's crunchy, something you can use to maybe go with a dip or something. And and again, if you're strict keto, sunflower oil not for you, but everybody else low carb, lazy keto, and we're just trying to avoid potatoes. These are a great thing. 2 thumbs up.